What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good evening. Hope you're all doing well, at least a little bit good. Obviously, real life is more important than what's happening in the crypto markets. Crypto markets have not been bullish. It's been pretty pessimistic. But yeah, as I said, hope you're all still doing good. And in this video, what we'll do is we'll take a look at Cardano and the ADA token. And kind of also looking at the fundamentals, we have to. We'll talk a little bit about the fundamentals, and then we'll kind of incorporate that into the price, and we'll do a quick analysis on what's most likely to happen next for the price. So yeah, let's dive right into it. The volume is probably still pretty high. It's dropping, which it's actually a bullish thing. If volume is dropping throughout the market, that means that at least we have some more stability. You can also see that the FTT token volume is dropping. With a lot of volume, there's a lot of volatility and a lot of things can happen. Volume of Bitcoin is still ridiculously high, but it's also dropping, and I assume that we're going to continue dropping heading into the weekend. So that's good. That's some stability. Fundamentally, in the crypto markets, we've been very bearish, of course, and today, cherry on top of the cake, a bankruptcy filing from FTX. I think most of the people actually already expected that, but it's still considered as bearish throughout the markets, also visible in this move. Not as big as the other moves, but still bearish. Economically, it has to be said, we're actually pretty bullish with crypto. A lot of adoption, which isn't necessarily economic, but a lot of adoption, especially last week. And yeah, the dollar index is decreasing, which is bullish for crypto. And apart from that, inflation rates are, well, decreasing even year on year at least. So yeah, economically that's bullish, but we can see that the crypto fundamentals are stronger. So what I said when I did the analysis like an hour ago, I was still kind of struggling with that 35 cents area, because that's actually a support. Has held us up quite a lot in the last weeks. Last months also, and I kind of wanted to wait whether we would close below that or not, and we have closed below that. So in my opinion, what's happening right now is that, yeah, there's this very small support at 34 cents, but I think it's more likely in these bearish times that we'll even drop down a little bit lower towards 33 and 32.5 cents. Now, I do think, even though with this entire move we drop down all the way to 31 cents, I do think this support will hold. So at around 33 cents, let's say it like that. I do think that will hold. I even think that we'll be able to consolidate between 33 and 35. But this might be a little bit too optimistic. I think I mean, how bad can it be? We have a bankruptcy right now. It almost cannot get worse unless we actually find out that they have almost no liquidity left. If that happens, we'll still crash down to 30 cents. But I don't think that's going to happen. I think we will get some more stability, and then either end of the weekend or somewhere next week, we'll actually be able to break above 35 cents again and kind of consolidate a little bit higher with Cardano. But that's my analysis on Cardano. I have to be honest. It's Cardano at this point in time is very correlated with Bitcoin. Not necessarily one-on-one, because, for example, this drop for Bitcoin relatively to Cardano was way more bearish. But altogether, they are moving in a very correlated way, especially now. So if you want to know where Cardano is going, analyzing Bitcoin is a core part of that analysis. But for now, that's at least my take on the fundamentals around Cardano, but also on kind of the market. So if you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, take care and bye.